So in our previous class, we learned about what WordPress is all about. So here we'll be looking at the two types of WordPress. So basically we have two types of WordPress and they include WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So WordPress.com, the difference between the two that is basically you have total control over one, while the other is a managed environment. So, like I said, about the uses of WordPress, so you can decide to fully own a WordPress, and also you also need to know that WordPress is an open source publishing platform. So, on the two types of WordPress, where we have WordPress.com is a managed platform, meaning that you want the WordPress and their team to help you manage your resources. Basically, you are hosting it on their platform. You are hosting all of your website content on their platform. That is, you are leveraging on their hosting services, leveraging on their domain services. So this is we still get to the pros and cons of using the tool, but just have it at the back of your mind that WordPress.com is a managed platform, while WordPress.org is a self-hosted platform, meaning that you want to download the WordPress source code to yourself, then host it yourself, connect it to the domain yourself, then basically do all of the management, including the support, the security management, and every other thing that concerns audits. So that is basically the difference between the WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Now, the pros of WordPress.com is that since it is managed by the WordPress team, you get to enjoy all the benefits that comes with WordPress, like latest release. You can opt in for auto update from later releases. You can leverage on their hosting services to enjoy the best hosting services that are basically tailored to the smooth running of WordPress. Then also you get to enjoy security updates, customer services, and basically every other thing that comes with using WordPress in a managed environment. You can go to the WordPress.com here to read more on what the managed platform is all about and if it's something you want to opt in for. The cons that I could say here is that it can be expensive and you are strictly restricted to what they have to offer you, meaning you might not have the ability to expand or um, to extend the services that they are giving to you. I've not I've tested it out and that was a very long time ago. So I don't know the improvement they've had over time if they've given um, opportunity for um, users or for their users to further extend what they are offering. So but you can go through the WordPress.com to read more about what they give to you, what you get to enjoy when you use the managed platform. So it's based on subscription. You subscribe per month for using it on their platform. You subscribe per month. I think the pricing is somewhere here. Let's check out the pricing. Okay, so this is the pricing on the plan. Like I said, it can be expensive. So I think the cheapest here is $8 per month. And it comes with a domain, blah blah. So you can go through and check. But for the WordPress.org, this is the WordPress.org. So this is where you get to enjoy the open source functionality. That is, you download the WordPress source code itself, host it on your own preferred hosting service. Then, in this case, the pro is that um, you have full access to the source code. You can modify it. You can extend whatever they are giving to you. You can add your own. You can remove from what you are getting. You understand? So, and also one of the pro is that you you get to um, be the one to decide on what to do at any time. Take for instance, when you're using WordPress.com, you might possibly opt in for automatic update, which might not be stable. But in the WordPress.org, you can decide not to upgrade, maybe based on trend that you are seeing online that the current release is not yet stable, so you can still maintain the previous update or the previous release so as not to crash your website. So the cons is that this time around, you are the security personnel of your website. So you are in charge of everything. If there are any vulnerables, nobody's coming to help you this time around. You are the one that manage everything, and you need to be very cautious of what you put into your website. In this case, you are not enjoying any security support from WordPress. So you are basically doing everything yourself. So that's basically the cons of using the WordPress.org. So the link is WordPress.org here, as you can see. So you can go through and check what they get to offer on the website. It's free. So when you are done going through and you decide yourself that you want to use the WordPress.org version, you can just click on Get WordPress and you get to download it um on your workstation. Here it's saying download WordPress 6.61. So after you download it, this is when you now upload the source code to your preferred hosting service. So in our next class we'll be talking about hosting services.